Setting a strong foundation for work ethics begins with identifying and defining your professional values. These values serve as guiding principles that align with your personal beliefs and aspirations. Consider the following steps to define your professional values. A. Reflect on your core beliefs. Take time to introspect and identify the values that are important to you. What principles do you hold dear? Examples could include integrity, excellence, collaboration, or innovation. B. Prioritize your values. Once you have a list of values, prioritize them based on their significance in your professional life. This exercise helps you identify the values that will guide your decision-making and actions. C. Create your personal value statement. Condense your prioritized values into a concise statement that captures the essence of your professional identity. This statement will serve as a reminder of your guiding principles throughout your freelance career.